Come on in.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time visiting Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in a collab hosted by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner called the Christmas Winter Lantern Collab 2019. Now the rules are we are either supposed to show how we decorate a lantern or how we use the lantern to decorate a space. And I will be decorating this large lantern that sits on my coffee table. I have some supplies here that I picked up either around my house or from a dollar store, and I think there's Marshall's and Michael's here, so I will be using all of it. So I will have Kenya's channel linked down below, as well as the playlist from this collaboration. So make sure once you're done watching my video, you go to check out the playlist and Kenya's channel as well. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll be adding this faux snow, fake snow that I picked up at Dollar Tree to the bottom. Then I have some of this wire that I'm going to cut in different lengths. I'm also going to attach some twinkling lights that I had picked up at Dollarama.
Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year.
I'm just going to add a little bit of tape to secure it a little bit here. Just so you see, I wedged 2 popsicle sticks, so I'm hoping that that will prevent the little battery pack from falling through, and it did. Now I'm going to take some of these ornaments and twist tie the little wire that I cut. Thread it through and twist it. I'm going to repeat that for all of them. So I'm going to take apart this a little bit because I think it's too big.
Come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over.
Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make a bow. Never made a bow before, so bear with me.
We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
So I am not a bow maker at all. This is, I think, the best bow looking thing I've ever made, but I think it turned out good, and I think it looks really good on the lantern. So here is my lantern in a close-up. I think it looks really pretty, elegant. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And I would like to thank Kenya for hosting this wonderful collab. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. So until next time, have a wonderful day.
And join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. come on up, come on in. Nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like one true